What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have these cool little hooks right here. Now, these hooks are good if you want to hang like brushes, shovels, and stuff like that. You can hang this on your wall. And also you can hang this on your van. Let's say if you have a van, a traveling van or a Jeep or something, you can actually put these on your vehicle as well. They have the hardware right here. All right. And yeah, so we are going to put these hooks up. All right, you guys, I'm going hardcore with it. No laser level or anything. Just going to go ahead and try to match the height as is. All right. If I don't want to hear no more, then I will just move it. So I'm just eyeballing it for now. Oh, it's behind the thing. Okay. All right. Grip that. And it is on, you guys. Again, with the weight of this, the weight of this is heavy on this side and it's flush onto the wall. Now, yes, I am a little crooked, so I will have to bring this side down some. But dang, this is cool, you guys. I don't know. I might have to get a couple more of these. All right, you guys, and to release it, you just pull up and then lift up on the rubber to tighten it, lock it down just like this. Oh, make sure this is up. Now lock it down like that. All right, easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, and that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. I might do another one, another review of this, maybe like a short or something, but this is cool. I like this. All right. And that will be all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.